Most everyone's heard of a desktop milling machine, but have you ever heard of a desktop Swiss type with the actual guide bushing design of a normal Swiss type? APSX, in my hometown of Cincinnati, offers its Nano machine, but while it only requires 120 volts, maybe 2 by 4 feet of desktop space, and compressed air, it's by no means a toy. This machine comes standard with a 1/2-inch guide bushing, but 1/4 inch, 3/8, 5/8, and 3/4 inch guide bushings are also available. The machine offers 13 total tool positions, 6 OD, 5 ID, and 2 live spindles. Also, a keyboard, pendant, and software comes with this package. The company is also working with Korn USA in terms of cutting tools supplied with this machine. But then the big question is, what's the best application for this type of machine? It could be that it's used for lower volume work that you might take off a traditional Swiss type. I think this would be great for training purposes. Instead of having someone train on a standard Swiss type on your shop floor, they could be learning how to adjust guide bushings, touch off tools on this model, instead of tying up a big production machine. This is a great example of why you need to build in roaming time for a show like PMTS, because you're never going to know what you're going to run into.